Good afternoon, students. Okay. Where are the remaining students? Very less attendance. I'm waiting for the students to join. Yes, students. We were discussing Kaiser window. Today we will finish the Kaiser window class. I think you all know the steps, procedure of Kaiser window, and we were about to complete one numerical. We have started with the numerical. So you all have simplified, try to simplify that numerical because we had the designing steps. If you have any query, please mention it in the chat box so that I will come to know. How many of you have tried? Amisha, Aditi, Avantika. किस किसने ट्राई किया इस न्यूमेरिकल को प्लीज टेल मी. हाँ, क्या डिफिकल्टी है क्वेश्चन में? What problem you are facing? Actually, we will simplify it today, na? So your doubts will be cleared. And what are the doubts? Yes, students. Pranjali, Pratibha, Pranjali, you are attending after a very long time. Okay, so simplify this numerical. Del S 0.00 20 del minimum we have to find na in the Kaiser window steps. Del minimum is del P comma del S. AS तुमने find किया, उसके बाद del P del S find किया, उसमें जो वैल्यू मिनिमम होगी दैट विल बी योर डेल. So del is coming out to be 0.0057, I think. Del is coming out to be 0.0057. Yes. So what is the problem in this? After that, what you have to do? After finding out del, calculate the actual stop and attenuation. जो हमारे इक्वेशन नंबर 5-6 में एएस की इक्वेशन थी -20 log 10 del s, उससे एएस फाइंड करोगे. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एएस? यस 44.70. सबकी वैल्यू आ रही है क्या? ये ऑल अदर स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, remaining students, are you getting this value? Negative is also in my answer. How negative? Okay. नहीं, -20 log को सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो वो तो हो जाएगा, प्लस में ही आएगा आंसर. आंसर इज इन प्लस ओनली. Then what is the value of alpha? Okay. So in exam, see, right now we are having these equations. In exam, you have to remember all this equation. Now, what your AS is coming? AS is coming out to be 44.7. We are having for AS, depending on AS, we have to find the value of alpha S. Okay, alpha S is the parameter for Kaiser design equation. There we have three equations depending on the value of AS. So here we have to choose the second equation, which is bit lengthy. So do the calculations accordingly and you will get the value of alpha as 3.95. Yes, you will get the value of alpha. Then next step, after finding out alpha, determine the parameter D from the Kaiser design equation. Here D is categorized in two values depending on the value of AS. AS less than equal to 21 or AS greater than 21. So which value we will select? AS greater than 21, that is AS minus 7.95 upon 14.36. So now what is the value of D? What is the value of D? It is 2.56. Okay. Now what we have to find? Here we have to find the length of the filter. Which is the most important thing to design any window. What is the length of the filter? So find out capital M, whose equation is greater than equal to FD upon del F plus 1. So what is F? What is del F? So students, tell me the value of F here. F की क्या value है? Okay, it's given 1 kilohertz. It's given the frequency. Okay. Then what is del F? It's 100. Okay, very good. So find out the next parameter, M. Got the value? Yes, student, value of D. Okay, M, you all are getting as 27. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to find the filter coefficients for Kaiser window function. Till now we did all the calculations. Now we have to find the filter coefficients. So you can write the filter coefficients HD of n for a low pass filter. The equation is given by, see, you have written the equation earlier regarding HD of n for low pass FIR filter. You have written that equation. Okay, so here we have to find all the HD parameters. And see, these are linear filters. We all know the few coefficients will be same. Half coefficients will be same. Filter length is m is equal to 27. That means it is a odd length filter. Okay, so HD of 0 will be equal to HD of, yes students, we have seen linearity property. H of n is equal to H of, so only 13 parameters you have to find, HD 0 to HD 13. Remaining will remain same. We have seen linear phase FIR filters. So HD of 0 में कैसे find करूंगी? Generally in exam they consider that this parameters, if you won't find, if you will find just one or two parameters, that will be okay. Otherwise you can simplify it till the length of the filter, because these calculations are very cumbersome, but here you have to do these calculations. So start with HD of 0. HD of 0 का equation क्या था तुम्हारा? लो पास FIR filter का equation लिखा है हमने, that is 2 fc upon f sine 2 pi n fc upon f upon 2 pi n fc. This was the equation. So this calculations becomes cumbersome and it becomes very difficult to simplify this equation. As you have seen the Kaiser window function wk of n, जो हमने सबसे first equation लिखा था, that is based on the Bessel function. Okay, so here you need computer to calculate these values. So in exam till here you can write down the answers. After that you can mention all the formulas for low pass filter, high pass filter. HD of n का formula लिखोगे, ठीक है? And then what is alpha you will mention, and then you will just mention the value of h of 0. H of 0 will be equal to w of k of 0 into HD of 0. No need to find these values afterwards, because it is not possible to do by calculator, by simple calculator. You need computer to calculate these values. So, but what you have to do till this m, you find the equations. After that you just write down the theory. What do you mean by window function? What is wk of n? What is hd of n? What are those equations? Mention all those things in your answer sheet. Okay, so now we will simplify. You can write down some values over here. Write down few values of this. See, h of 0 you can find out, no problem in that. h of 0 क्या होगा? h d of 0 है तुम्हारा 2 pi f c upon f. उस इक्वेशन का तुम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. So write down few values in your copy. Written these values. By varying the values of h of d of n 0 to 13, you will get all these values. See these coefficients, you can see all the coefficients are mentioned over here. These are the list of coefficients. hd of 0. How we will get this hd of 0? From the previous equation, which we have written from this hd of 0 to fc upon f. We know what is fc. Yes, student, I am repeating it again. See, till this you simplified. After that it becomes cumbersome, so no need to simplify. But you should know the procedure and you should write everything in your answer sheet in exams. So for how I will find hd of 0? hd of 0, this is as a low pass FIR filter. So hd of 0 is this 2fc upon f. F is 1 kilohertz. Fc is the center frequency. You can find out sine 2 pi n. N will vary from 0 to 13 as it's a filter length, odd filter length. So from hd of 0 to hd of 13, half coefficients you have to find. Other coefficients will be same as it is. fc upon f upon 2 pi n fc upon f. Okay. So n is equal to 0 से इसको start करोगे, put करना and you will get the values. After that, this equation, we stopped at equation number 6 in the designing of Kaiser window. H of n is equal to wk of n, hd of n. Clear? hd of n. See, I can share one YouTube video also if you want how these steps are to be simplified. You can see from that. Okay, and for wk of n, we have written the first equation, this, the Kaiser window function. Wk of n is equal to I naught beta upon I naught alpha. For this value, this is the equation of Kaiser window. Clear this equation 7.46? ठीक है. उसके बाद बीटा वैल्यू ये है और I naught x is this equation. So just mention that no need to calculate the values of this. h0 of n होगा तुम्हारा wk of 0, hd of 0. So two coefficients maximum you can find if you wish. hd of 0, alpha of 0, h of 0. So these values are written. So write down next question. Write down next question in your copy. Design a high pass digital FIR filter. Design a high pass digital FIR filter using Kaiser window satisfying the specifications given below. Now we are designing a high pass digital FIR filter. Okay. Design a high pass digital FIR filter using Kaiser window satisfying the specifications given below. Passband cutoff frequency FP. Passband cutoff frequency FP 3200 Hertz. Stop band cutoff frequency FS 1600 Hertz. Passband ripple AP 0.1 dB. Stop band attenuation AS 40 dB. And sampling frequency F is equal to 10,000 Hertz. So these parameters are given to you. Now design your high pass digital FIR filter using Kaiser window function. And completely mention everything in your chat box so that I will check your answers and I will clarify your doubts. So start simplifying. What are the given parameters? Now first step is to find out yes, like first question only you have to simplify. Okay, del is same. Okay, okay. Now next value. As your AP and AS are same, na, so the equation related with that will remain same for this. Other answers? Yes, Shivani, Pratibha. Okay. Other students, what are your answers? Please simplify. I'm waiting for the answers. Avantika, it's 18. Okay. Others? Yes, other students, please simplify the numerical. Okay, HD of 0 निकाल लिया Aditi, very good. Yes, it's right Aditi, 0.5. You can check your answers. See, only 3 students are doing, remaining 5 students sitting idle in the class. See, I can have just one way teaching only. I will just teach you out. But that is not good for you. So at least try whatever I am saying, implement, as we all are facing problems very much. Online classes is bit difficult as compared to your teaching in the classroom. Classroom teaching is very easy. So at least you're spending 50 minutes for your class online. So please get out good amount of knowledge from that class. Otherwise, it's just wastage of time. And yes, students, happy Engineers Day to all of you as you have completed a 50% of your engineering. So half engineers तो बन चुके हो तुम लोग सब, and I wish a very good luck to you all to become a successful engineers. And if you are studying engineering, I feel that you should implement in your life also. ऐसे नहीं कि हमने पढ़ के 4 साल तो यहाँ दे दिए and after that 4 years this engineering becomes good for nothing and you started something else. So at least we should do something, we should create our own, or we should work in good companies, or we can become an entrepreneur, but at least we should not leave our field in which we spend very important years of our life. So your goal, your aims should be clear. What you want to do after becoming an engineer, and wherever are your loopholes, try to implement, try to come out from that. You are facing problem in this subjects, in coding, in language, or in machine learning. So you should start studying those subjects from now itself. So all of you got these values. So here we got length as 18. So how many coefficients we should find out? Length of the filter is 18. It's an even number. 6. How 6? And I'm sharing one video also if you have some doubt, because so you can go through that video and all doubts will be clear. How many coefficients will be required? 8. 8 will be required or 6 will be required? Or any other number? Filter length is 18. So how many coefficients we should find out? 7. How 7 will be required? See, in the first 2 classes only we studied linear phase FIR filter, and we come to know that equation h of n is equal to h of m minus 1 minus n. From that equation we came to know two coefficients are same. So if filter length is 18, how many coefficients I will require? Other students, what are you doing? Shivani, Pratibha, प्रांजलि. प्रांजलि कॉपी बनाई है बेटा तुमने? डीएसपी कॉपी. Why? You should prepare your copy, beta. Otherwise, how you will study this whole subject? And complete all the major details so that you will have knowledge of your class, of your subject very thoroughly. Otherwise, it really becomes difficult. Okay. So, how many coefficients? The answer is yet not available on the chat. At least you have to find 9 coefficients. 9. HD0 to HD8. Clear? And H0 to H9 coefficients you have to find. Okay? So, any doubt in this? FIR विंडो पहले में से कुछ पूछना हो तुमको तो so it's not that tough. Just remember the equations. You will come to know how you have to simplify. And in Hanning windows, if nothing is mentioned, rectangular window, Hamming, Bartlett, Blackman, what you will do? You will select your own window and then you will start simplifying that equation. And which is the simplest window we studied? Which is the simplest window we studied, in which the calculation becomes very easier. It is the which window function? Rectangular window. If nothing is mentioned, take rectangular window. All the values should be 1 for that particular filter length. Otherwise, it's 0. Use that and start simplifying your question. And if it is mentioned, sometimes I told you, no, it's not mentioned that this particular window you have to use. They can directly give you the equation. If equation is given, we should come to know which window function is that. So for that, you have to remember all this. Start making practice of writing these equations so that it will become easier to remember. Otherwise, it will become difficult while simplifying. And in next class, we will start with the IIR filter. Window IIR, we will start. IIR is infinite impulse response. In that, you have to study two different techniques to implement and its approximations to calculate IIR filter. So IIR filter, generally there are 3 to 4 designing steps or classification to design IIR filter, in which we will study first impulse invariant method and second bilinear transformation. Then we will see the approximations used for IIR filter. Those approximations are known as Butterworth approximation, Chebyshev approximation, Coyer filter approximation. So there are n number of approximations given to define IIR filter depending on the frequency response. How we are getting frequency response. Is it with the ripples, is it without ripple, or ripple in pass band, ripple in stop band, or attenuation, high attenuation in stop band? Depending on those, we have classified this IIR approximations. So in next class, we will start with that approximation, and please give me the attendance from roll number 1 to 5 who are present. Roll number 1 to 5. 3, Amisha, okay. 5, Avantika, okay. And then 6 to 10. Aditi is also present, na? Okay, then Jaya. Jaya, are you getting? Okay. 1, okay. Then 10 to 15. 14, okay. And last roll numbers from 15 to 19. Why Shubham is not attending last 2 classes? Sakshi is not there. और कोमल और निखिल अटेंड नहीं करते हैं क्लासेस. अक्षत वेरी लेस अटेंडेंस. See, less than 30% attendance you are having. Please inform your friends to attend the classes regularly. And I will upload today's lecture also. And see, few lectures are having some problem. So very difficult to upload. I am trying, but it's not uploading. So I can't help in those videos. हाँ, क्या पूछना बेटा असाइनमेंट से? वो क्वेश्चन को मैं आज अपडेट कर दूंगी बेटा. आई विल सी दैट क्वेश्चन टुडे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Something missing in that. Anything else, Aditi? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन में x ऑफ n है. हेलो.
बताओ. Yes.
यस मैम, वॉइस आ रही. हाँ, डेल ऑफ n माइनस डेल ऑफ n माइनस 1 है, या मैम आपने जो इक्वल कर रखा है वहाँ कोई वैल्यू है?
असाइनमेंट की लास्ट डेट क्या है बेटा तुम्हारी?
25.
असाइनमेंट Second question you are saying, determine response of the system defined by equation.
Yes, ma'am.
तो y of n,
मैम y of n is correct. जो x of n है वो डेल n माइनस डेल ऑफ n माइनस वन है, या मैम जो इक्वल है वहाँ कुछ
अच्छा
डिजिट है
अच्छा
या
अच्छा,
कुछ और है?
हाँ, there is something wrong in that. I will check it.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. And in question 5, I haven't mentioned the equation. Actually, I have written that equation. Some mistake was there, I think. I have written that equation. Shall I will update you? ठीक है ना? I will click a photo and I will send in the group. Okay? Okay बच्चों, चलो, goodbye.